To open the terminal and console in PyCharm, follow these steps. Launch PyCharm. Open PyCharm and load your project. Locate the Terminal tab. At the bottom of the PyCharm window, you will see various tabs like Terminal, Python Console, Run, etc. If the Terminal tab is not visible, click on the View menu at the top of the screen, then choose Tool Windows, Terminal to open it. Using the terminal will now open at the bottom. You can use this to run shell commands or command prompts. You can also run Python scripts, navigate directories, and manage virtual environments directly from the terminal. Locate the Python console. Similarly, the Python console tab is located at the bottom of the PyCharm window. If not visible, go to View, Tool Windows, Python console to enable it. Using the Python console allows you to interact with the Python interpreter directly. You can execute Python code, test snippets, and explore variables and libraries. It's a great tool for debugging or testing parts of your code interactively.